Today, I'm going to show you how you can fix your high CPU usage. Now, you might see other tutorials out there that tells you to disable a couple of things like Windows Surfaces or Windows Superfetch, things like that. Now, I recommend you not to disable those surfaces because some of them are pretty crucial for Windows to work. And if you're looking for a tutorial like this, then I'm guessing that you're not pretty tech savvy and you might accidentally turn off something that's important and that might be pretty detrimental to your system. So instead, I'm going to show you the more accessible way to fix your high CPU usage. So first off, the thing you want to do first is that you want to go to the sidebar section here, hidden icons, and you can see I have a lot of hidden icons here. Now these are all apps that are running in the background and it's using up my high CPU, right? So for example, here I have Valorant fan card here. I just want to click on exit fan card and just click on yes. Now I'll terminate that background process. Now there's a lot more. For example, I have Microsoft Teams here. Again, just click on quit Teams. Now, for example, there's also Epic Games here. Just click on exit. There's a lot more here like Windows Defender. You can click on exit, but I think for Windows Defender, you can't turn that off. For example, here I have WinHawk. I'm going to click on exit, right? Just click on exit WinHawk, on yes, and all of that. So make sure to empty out all of the background apps on here, right? Another way I'm going to show you is by reading the task manager. Now you can see I have around 52% CPU usage. If your CPU usage doesn't look like this, just click on this, right? You might see something like this. So you think it might all 0%, but no, this is just sorted by least use. If you click on it, it'll sort it by most used. Now read it. Now see what is the most CPU thing that's being used, right? So right now it's anti-malware surface executable. Don't turn this off. It's something important for your security. So even though it's using a lot of CPUs, it's pretty crucial for your Windows to work, right? So let's find something else that might be using up our CPU. For example, cursor here. Cursor is using up about 2% or up to 4% of my CPU. And I'm not using it, so I'm just going to turn that off. So if I want to turn off cursor, right click, just click on and task. Now you can see I accidentally click on something else there. Again, be careful not to click on anything else. Just click on cursor here and click on end task. And there you go. The app on my bottom screen there turned off. And now it'll fix up my CPU usage just like that. Now it's only about 20 to 34% CPU usage, which is pretty good and pretty normal. Ideally, you don't want your CPU to be 0% usage because that basically means that your computer is not doing anything. And on computer terms, your computer will always be doing something. Something must be running in the background, like security at the very least. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.